Mata pupula e mumpe se afi. Ai sea e mumu ai mamu. Ife ana e pupula malosi ai faafu asei namu. Mata pupula. It is kinda dream, floating out on the tide. I was holding on close, then you slipped out of sight. Your eyes hit hard like a spark in the dark, then the whole room changed and I felt that mark. I keep asking why you burn and fade, why you shine so bright and leave me in gray. Still I trace that glow when the night gets deep. Mata pupula, baby, you stay in my sleep. Mata pupula, imumu se afi. I say na e pupula malosi ai faafu asei namu. Mata pupula, mata pupula, mata pupula, mata pupula. There's a fog along the wilderness, a strange glow in the sky. I was walking through the silence with your name on my mind. You were there for a second, now the air feel thin like a door half open, let the cold rush in. I saw that fire in you no one else could hold. Now I'm left with embers and a story told. If you call my name, I'll be there fast, but the shape of you never seems to last. Mata pupula, se afi. I say mumu ai mamu. Pefe ana e pupula malosi ai faafu asei namu. Mata pupula, mata pupula, mata pupula. Now the moon sit low on the edge of the bay, and the wave keep talking in a tired up way. I saw your light once in the corner of the night, bright like a match, then it cut off the sight. Everybody asked me what I saw that day. I say mata pupula, then I look away, cause some flames don't stay, even when you pray. Still I want that spark when the dawn breaks gray. Sing it soft for me if you still can't hear that bright little blaze gone out too clear. Come back for a second, come back like before. Let me see that fire at my front door. Mata pupula, mata pupula, mata pupula, emumu se afi. I say say namu. Mata pupula, mata pupula, mata pupula, mata pupula. Mata pupula, still in my mind, bright then gone, but you left the sun. Mata pupula, fade slow down one more.